guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. As you can see, I am in a different place in this video. I'm actually in my sister's room. This is not my room because my room doesn't have the best lighting ever. I really like this room because the sunlight, just like there's a window right there and the sunlight is like perfect. Today I'm gonna tell you guys what products, what hair tools, what hair products like creams and stuff I will be taking to my 1-week Dominican Republic trip. I'm so excited to go to my country, the Dominican Republic, and I am going to tell you guys what tools I'm going to bring with me, why, and what tools I'm not going to bring with me and why. So this is my carry-on. I mean, as you can see, obviously I'm not going to bring this big REVAIR, and there's a lot of tools in here that I'm actually not going to bring. Surprisingly, the Revlon I'm not gonna bring, and I'm just gonna tell you guys why I'm not bringing some of these stuff. So I'm gonna start by telling you guys the tools that I'm not gonna be bringing to my trip. So number one, I'm not gonna bring this huge REVAIR. Don't get me wrong, this tool is very cool to use, but guys, look how big it is. It's like it doesn't even fit in my carry-on. This is just insane. I just feel like hair tools need to be a okay size, not too big, because what if you want to take it to travel with you? Like, what if you want to take it somewhere with you? Like, no, this is just not a possibility. So I'm leaving this here because obviously it's way too big. It's super heavy. Like, oh my god, this definitely wouldn't be the first option that I would think of for traveling. It's like, it's not even possible, I think. I mean, it is possible, but it's just not worth it in my opinion. So I'm gonna leave this one here. If you guys are surprised, I just wanted to be funny. I don't know. Another tool that I'm actually not bringing with me is the Revlon One Step hair dryer and volumizer. I know you guys are surprised. You're like, why are you not taking it with you? And I'm actually not bringing it with me because my mom has one over there in the Dominican Republic. So if anything, I could just use hers, and that way I save some space, you know. So yeah, I'm leaving this here, and I love this. I really do like this, but guys, in the humidity, you need a straightener if you want your hair to stay super straight. If I need my mom's Revlon, then I'll use it. But guys, I'm just going for a week, and honestly, I'm just trying to curl my hair the most I can. Over there, my hair curls so nicely. With the humidity, actually, I like how my curly hair looks. So I think I'm just gonna curl my hair most of the time. I might straighten it for my sister's graduation, which is the main reason why I'm going over there. But I don't even know if I'm gonna straighten it for that because my hair just gets too poofy, too big. It just doesn't look too cute. Even if I use a straightener, guys, it doesn't work out for me. So I might just curl my hair the whole time I'm there. I am bringing some hair tools to straighten my hair just in case if I decide to do that, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. So okay, so another hair tool that I'm not bringing with me, and I know you guys are gonna be surprised about this one, but I'm not bringing with me my GHD Platinum Plus. I love this so much. Like, this is my favorite straightener, like hands down. This is my favorite straightener at the moment, and that is why I'm not bringing it with me. Guys, this retails for $250, and I kind of don't want to take it with me because of that, because I don't want to lose it. I don't want it to break or whatever, you know. So I'm actually leaving this here because I have other straighteners that are a lot more affordable that I can, you know, if it breaks or if I lose it or whatever happens to it, like, I'm not gonna be super sad about it, and I can always just repurchase it, because buying a straightener for $40 as compared to buying a GHD Platinum Plus for $250, I mean, it's gonna hurt my bank account if I go out and buy one of these. So I'm gonna leave this one here, and I know I'm not gonna straighten my hair that much anyway, so why bring it? But I love this one, but I'm not taking it with me just because I'm scared to lose it because I really like this. So this one I am taking with me to my trip. This is the only straightener that I'm taking, and I'm taking this one because, number one, it's a 1-inch straightener, so that means that I can straighten my hair with this, and I can also curl my hair with this. So this is perfect for traveling because you can just straighten your hair, and if you want to do another look, you can use the same tool. You don't have to bring another tool for that. So that saves space, and it also makes your luggage not as heavy. This one retails for about $45, And you know, if this breaks, if I lose it or something happens to it, I'm gonna be sad, don't get me wrong, because this is really, really nice. But it's something that I can more easily repurchase as compared to the GHD Platinum Plus, which is $250. So I love this straightener. It's so good and I would recommend it to anybody. I'm actually gonna link all the products down below, so if you guys want to purchase any of these items, I'll link everything down below. But yeah, I'm taking this. I'm actually gonna put this right away in my carry-on. I'm gonna put it right here. So there's my first hair tool. So my second hair tool that I'm bringing, and that I actually use a lot, I literally used it today to dry my hair, my curly hair, and it is my diffuser. So most of the time in the Dominican Republic, I'm gonna try to just let my hair air dry, but if I don't have time, like if I need to dry my hair very, very quickly, I use this. And even if I just don't feel like waiting for like 4 hours for my hair to naturally air dry, I'll use this. Like today I use my diffuser. I'm gonna bring this with me because I'm gonna need it over there and I'm gonna want it over there. I already know. So I'm taking my diffuser. I love this. I'll link it down below. I'm definitely taking this to my Dominican Republic trip. So now I'm gonna talk about some products like gels and all that I'm gonna take with me. But actually first I'm going to talk about the accessories that I'm going to bring. So I'm definitely going to bring my silk bonnet and my redecilla for my TUBI. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below too. But basically TUBI is when you like wrap around your hair when it's straight, so it can last longer. You can go to sleep like that, and it makes your blowout last a lot longer. Something else that I'm going to bring is actually a bunch of clips. So as you can see, I have some right now. I really like this style. So these I'm definitely bringing with me, and I'm bringing a couple more that I have in here. I'll show you guys kind of the options that I have. I have 2 of these. They're like little hearts. I also have the same in green. They're super cute. I had 2 of the Cheeto ones, but the one broke, so I have this one. Maybe I'll bring it, I don't know. I also have 2 of these. They're like kind of like sparkly ones. Then I have these like circle ones. So I don't know, we'll see if I even use them, but I am gonna bring them because they look super cute and they're definitely in style right now. So I'm bringing these with me. One more accessory that I have to bring, well, I'm gonna bring some of these clips too, because these always come in handy, like clips like this and scrunchies. So I'm definitely bringing that. But I also am gonna bring my Tangle Teezer because guys, this, you can use this for so many things. I was gonna bring my Denman brush, but since you can do more with this, I'd rather bring this one. This is amazing. Like I use this to detangle my hair when I'm in the shower. I can use this to give myself some like Hollywood waves. So basically when your hair is dry and straight, you can make some waves with like a curling wand, and then you brush your hair with this Tangle Teezer, and it gives you such a nice Hollywood glam wave type of look. And it's amazing. I also use this to style my curls, so this is just amazing. I can also use this to kind of do like a sleek bun. This helps so much to really get the hair super flat when it's curly. So this is a definite, like I'm bringing this to my trip for sure. So I have actually not tried the Aveda curly hairline, and I got these small ones that are perfect for traveling, so I'm probably gonna bring these with me. This is a Damage Remedy daily hair repair, so I can bring this and do that as my first step, kind of like a leave-in conditioner. And then I could use this Be Curly Style Prep, and then I can use this Be Curly Curl Enhancer to just curl my hair if I need to. This might not be enough for a week if I curl my hair every day, but I am planning on buying some curly hair products in the Dominican Republic, made in the Dominican Republic. If you guys want me to film a video like a curly hair routine only using Dominican products, like Dominican curly hair products made in the Dominican Republic, which is so exciting. If you guys want me to film a video like that, let me know in the comments down below. I have some small shampoo and conditioner and another leave-in conditioner, so I'm bringing these just in case. I know over there I have shampoo and conditioner at my house over there, so I should be fine. But I also have these that I bought a long time ago. They're from Brio Gio. It's the Curl Charisma line. So this is the shampoo and conditioner for curly hair, and these are perfect for traveling. The size is perfect, so these all fit in here, and that should be just fine. This should be enough for a week, but I'm definitely gonna go and buy some Dominican curly hair products because they have some really good ones. So right here I have all my hair products. As you can see, I bring a good amount of stuff because I am gonna film over there. I'm planning on filming some really cool hair videos over there, so I definitely want to come prepared. Okay guys, I forgot, but I actually am also bringing this small living proof restore perfecting spray just in case if I want to blow out my hair. This is perfect for that. But I really like this. It gives my hair a lot of shine, and I'm bringing this to my Dominican Republic trip, so I'm going to put that in here. I completely forgot, and I'm just finished the video and I'm like, wait, I know something is missing, and it was my living proof restore perfecting spray. Anyways, bye. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to comment down below what type of video you want to see next, and I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and show some love in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.